So what you can also do is you can go around and add in YouTube video with announcement inside of Google Classroom. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on announce something to your classroom right here. And I'm going to click on add YouTube video. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and type in YouTube and I'm going to type in docs right here and press enter. And once I do that, you can see that I got my videos right here and I can select out a YouTube video that I like. I can go around onto duration and select out different options over here as well. Like you can see that right now, it's any duration, but you can select out videos that may be 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes and so forth, and filter out your videos as well. Now let me just go around and select out this particular video right here, and you can see the description of the video, and you can go around and click on add video right here, and the video is added in. If I were to go around over here onto YouTube link right here, I can also simply go around and paste out a YouTube video link that I have right here and press enter, and it directly opens up the YouTube video as you can see right here. And if it is the correct one, you can simply go around and add in a video. You can also click on the three dot button and remove the attachment if you want. And I'm just going to go around and say something like, please refer to these videos right here, and click on post. And what happens is that the YouTube link will be posted out along with preview, as you can see this like this. And that is how you can add in YouTube video with announcement inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.